Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone in the course of differential equations, an informal way of doing differential equations. So we will start this course by defining what is a differential equation. So let's define what is a differential equation. Okay, so an equation which involves one or more derivatives. Derivatives, I mean differentiation, one or more derivatives of an unknown function, or maybe sometimes functions. An equation which involves one or more derivatives of an unknown function is called differential equation. Okay, so let's move ahead and see some of the examples of differential equations. Let's say we're writing t square y by dx squared plus, let's say, y of x to be sine of x. Now, since this equation involves derivative of function y, an unknown function y, then we can call this equation as differential equation, maybe in short DE, differential equation. Now let me write down another differential equation as an example. Dy by dx plus, let's say, tangent of x to be, let's say e power x. Now this is also a differential equation because it involves derivative of an unknown function y that is depending on x. So this is also differential equation. You can see some more examples too. For example, one can write down d cube y, let's say this d cube y by dx cube plus, let's say, d square y over dx square power, let's say 4 plus arc of sine x maybe to be xy. Oh, this is also differential equation, though it is very complicated. But again, because it involves, derivatives of an unknown function y, so this whole equation is differential equations. You can see some more interesting examples as well. Let's say one can write one can write one can write, let's say, this example where sine of dy by dx plus, let's say, e power x equal to ln of y, natural log of y. This is also differential equation because it involves derivative of an unknown function y which is depending on x. One interesting example comes down next. So see this example now. Okay, let me put down this example E, which says second partial derivative of x with respect to f with respect to x plus second partial derivative of f with respect to y plus, let's say, sine of xy to be equal to y square. Now this equation is also differential equation. Why? Because it involves derivatives of an unknown function. But in this case, if you see carefully, this function is depending on x and y, two variables. Therefore, we have taken these derivatives as partial derivatives. Maybe you know from your calculus 2 course. So since this function is of two variables and such types of differential equations where you involve functions of more than one variables, or you can say where you involve partial derivatives, are called as PDEs. So it's itself very interesting course, that is partial differential equations. Partial differential equations. It's itself very interesting course. So far so good. We will be meeting in the next video very soon. Thank you.